Alright guys, we're heading out of this beautiful place. You guys got the tour yesterday, but I'm not gonna do it again. Say later to the fans, bro.
Later, guys.
Everybody else had an early flight to catch this morning,
yeah,
so they're gone. We gotta clean up a little bit here. Party animals, pretty dope. Looks like. All right, we out here, guys. I think we're gonna go get some breakfast. In Malibu on the way home. Maybe hit the beach today. I'll let you guys know. Keep you guys posted. Boom. Got this dope burrito. I already cut into it. Looks fire. Got my watch. Yo, what's going on, guys? Just getting home right now. Me and Abel got some lunch on the way home. A little trios, burrito. There's just like a clip of that in here. Something I want to address for everybody. Saturday, I did not post on Saturday. I had some trouble with my Wi-Fi and loading the videos and whatnot. What up, guys? Right now, dressed up. You never see me like this, but because my mom hit me up for a boat ride, so why not get the boat ride in the vlog? I figured we'll just send it. We'll have a good set. And but right now, I'm glad I'm doing something else today. Like I really just thought I was gonna have like a lazy day and not really have like a lot of content. Worked on the dream board for a little bit. Put a few things on that. Now I'm heading up to Westlake for this boat ride, and it should be pretty fun. I don't even know what to expect. You know, it's on a lake, so we'll see how big the boat is. A bunch of people are drinking up there, so I'm pretty excited. See how this goes, and I'll let you guys know what's good. Boom. See this? Hey, drinks are on Marisa all day today.
Maddie, drinks on all day.
Check it out. This is beautiful. Say what's up, Mom. To the fans. Say what's up to the fans. Oh my God. Right here, I got my spot. Beautiful, beautiful day out.
The marines down there.
That worked. Alright, you know, one bottle down.
Ready? You guys ready?
More to go. We're taking a video. We're vlogging right now. That's right.
And there's like...
Alright, I won't.
There's like 200.
Hey, we got one!
You got it!
Hey, you got this?
Yeah, I got it.
Man, there you go.
Yo, where do you get your game from?
Higher. Go higher.
Oh, we got one!
Yeah! Yeah, what's up, fans? Hey!
Cheers! Take the shot!
That's boring.
Ready? A shot?
Filming fun, huh? It's fun filming.
I'm gonna zoom in on you.
I'm here. I respect you. Cheers, everybody. Don't drink your glass. This is Emily. Drunk ass right here.
Yeah.
Hey, tell everybody what you're drinking.
Espresso martini. It's chocolate now.
But it was actually super fucking good.
It was espresso martini.
I'm vlogging. What's up, Mary?
You don't climb the ladder like that.
Why not?
Not how it works over
I
here.
mean, you never know. Some people do climb ladders.
I know everything.
Hey, this guy knows everything. Apparently, I'm blushing all day. I'm red because I'm white. We were in the sun earlier. I didn't put sunscreen on. You know what? I'm not even gonna be white or red. Caucasian. Everybody say what's up. We're recording. What's up? Jeffrey's driving us. I'm drinking a little bit. No, I've been drinking a little bit. That's why Jeffrey's driving. Yeah.
Making good choices, people.
We are making good choice. Now we're gonna go get food and we'll bring you guys back.
Wonderful meal.
It's gonna be awesome. Tell everybody what we're doing next Sunday.
So we are gonna do a lemonade stand and we're gonna sell some food and
Well, we make some money, right? You're gonna have some money in your pocket after this, right? Hey, so this is my meal. We got filet. A little bit of asparagus here, or not spinach, not asparagus, spinach. Little bacon wrapped around my filet. The mashed potatoes over here.
Porcini mushroom and cheese.
There's porcini mushroom and cheese in my filet.
Porcini mushrooms and cheese with a port wine reduction sauce.
Yeah, this is awesome.
I didn't like mine very much. I liked it.
Oh yeah, hey, Jeffrey hated his food. Look at
Mine was not good. I didn't like it. I want to send it back. Or I want a piece of... Wait, where are you going? I need a piece of bread to lap that up, buddy.
I can't waste the sauce.
Yeah. Don't waste
How's
the
yours,
sauce,
Mom?
It's good.
Yeah? Yo, what's up, guys? I just got done eating at Rooster Kill with the fam bam. Saw the homie Philip. It is Sunday. I don't think I have anything else going on. I have to get the vlogs up that I did not post last week still. But I didn't want to stress because I usually stress about it. And I don't actually bring good content to you guys when I am doing that. Know that the videos will still be coming out. So you guys still have something to look forward to. And I'm glad that all you guys are still here supporting. If you're still supporting, please keep it up. Subscribe, like wanted to update you guys on my Sunday. It's been a great day. Hung out with the family. Always good family vibes. I think that really helps me with motivation and inspiration. I think this is it for Sunday for me. So I hope everybody has a beautiful week, and I can't wait to see you guys next weekend. Rain vlogs, the Rain crew, all you guys. Love you guys. See you guys next week.